Can we know if someone is stalking you on Facebook? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. For that, first of all, launch Facebook and sign into your account. Tap three-line menu icon at top right and tap your profile name. Once you are here, select three dots and make sure that you turn on professional mode. And then you will see dashboard. So these features give you access to professional tools including insights about your profile activity. So simply tap on see dashboard under your profile picture. Scroll down and here you can easily choose for professional mode guide. In case if you don't get that option, simply you can tap insights at top right corner of the screen next to home. And here you can easily see all your performance, earnings, recent posts, and followers as well. From this section, you can easily see how many people have visited your profile. So, unfortunately, Facebook doesn't provide the names of people who viewed your profile. If someone interacts with your content, likes, comments, or share, you will see this activity in your notification. Simply viewing your profile or post without engaging doesn't trigger any visible indicators. So, if you want more information, you can easily check out Facebook Help Center for details on privacy and features. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.